Oh, hey there, Commodore J.O. here. Just keeping myself busy while I'm waiting to go home after a couple nice days here in Munson. High score! And 4 orders of tapioca, please. Thank you. I was having my back fixed after waiting till the end of sailing season to take care of some unfinished business. Same thing for the bylaws. Right now we have until November 6th to get your vote in. Please take a good look at the document and the information on the club website and get your ballot in so we can count them up that night. Now the next night, November 7th, is the Commodore's Ball, and the theme this year is Commodore's Ball. So come dress as your favorite Commodore, Thurston Howell III, Lionel Richie, or even your good friend J.O. So hopefully we'll see you then. Take care. See you at the club.